To American Roots. Today we went to Walmart. I want to look down the canning aisle and I want to see exactly what they have for jars. We're getting into pressure canning and my mom is looking specifically for 1.5 glass jars to can meat in. So I brought us to the Walmart, the place that I know, to get a pretty good price on ball jars. So let's take a look at what they have. So it looks like they have the ball gallon size for $13.97. Looks like they've got jam jars. These are nesting jars, which I like. And then one thing
on the impact jars I'm seeing.
lids, rings, different brands. We have freezer jars up there. We've got, these are good for like spices, salt, pepper. We've got the fermenting jars. We've got a utensil kit. Latch jars. They also have like an entire starter kit and then like a book that you can get. We've got Certo, stuff for making jelly. And this is for use with no sugar. So you want to make sure if you're using no sugar, you get that one. And it looks like they have everything Food Saver. So what could you want for your Food Saver? They've got it. They have a Presto pressure canner. They want $98 for it. They have a Presto food dehydrator. They want $74. They have a ball jam and jelly maker. And they want $99 for that. That's the aisle of what they have to offer for canning right now. I'm gonna keep an eye out and I always check prices to make sure. We have a place here called Winco. They have a really, really good competitive price on ball jars. I think I paid $13 for a case of 12 there. So I always try to look and make sure exactly what they have and compare prices. Thanks for hanging out with us. Until next time.